Hi, I'm Jordan Weiland, Lichtsinn RV sales consultant. Today we are going to review Winnebago RVs built on the Mercedes-Benz chassis. Let's begin with the Class B Winnebago Revel. The Revel is known for its off-road performance and ability for off-grid stays. The four-season, adventure-ready Revel is available as a four-wheel drive RV for the 2024 model year, and beginning with the 2025 model year, the Revel is an all-wheel drive RV. The Revel is available in the 44E floor plan, which includes a flexible gear garage and gear closet. Our last remaining 4x4 Winnebago Revels are available now at Lichtsinn RV. Take advantage of 2024 model year savings over the 2025 model year. The stocked MSRP price of the 2024 Winnebago Revel is $218,282, and the 2025 Winnebago Revel stocked MSRP price is $258,737. This is a $40,455 difference. And we have just two remaining four-wheel drive Winnebago Boldts. The spacious Boldt 70VL floor plan features ample storage and extended off-grid stays, making it the perfect blend of innovation and comfort. And now Abby will review Winnebago Class C RVs built on the Mercedes-Benz Sprinter Chassis.
Hi, I'm Abby Neiman, sales consultant here at Lichtsinn RV, and there are a few Winnebago Class C motorhomes built on the Mercedes-Benz Sprinter Chassis. Let's start with the industry-leading Winnebago View and Navion, which include upscale details throughout and are available in 3 floor plans. The 24D floor plan features a versatile Murphy bed, while the 24V offers rear twin beds that convert into a single large bed. The new 24T floor plan, arriving later this month, has a Murphy bed as well as a spacious exterior gear garage. Next, we have the Winnebago Vita, available in the 24P floor plan, which features a spacious slide out with a rear queen bed and offers your choice of a dream dinette or theater seating. And finally, we have the new all-season Winnebago Ekko Sprinter 23B. This all-wheel drive RV includes enhanced off-road capability, ample storage, a multifunctional living area, and rear twin beds that can be converted into a single large bed. And you can add a pop top to expand sleeping capacity from 3 up to 5 people. Contact myself or another Lichtsinn RV sales consultant today to learn more about the Winnebago motorhomes built on the Mercedes-Benz Sprinter chassis.